Welcome to my channel Math e-Learning. Today I am going to teach you Class 5 Chapter 1 Place Value Part 6.
Hello friends, welcome to my study channel Math e-Learning. I am going to teach you Class 5 Chapter 1 Place Value. In this video, I will teach you how to round off numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. First topic is rounding off to the nearest 10. How to round off a particular number to the nearest 10. For that, you have to check ones place of the number. So here we understand with the example. Here the example is 5,817,424. So what is in ones place? It is 4 here. So check whether the ones digit is less than 5. Yes, it is less than 5. So what to do? So replace this ones position with 0. So remember this thing, whenever you have ones digit is less than 5, then replace ones digit with 0 and write other digits of the number as it is. So here answer is 5,817,420. Now next thing you have to consider is if the digit in the ones place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, that means it is greater than or equal 5, then replace ones digit by 0 and add 1 to the tens place. So another number is given for that. Here the number is 62,75,985. Now check this ones position. Again I am telling you, whenever you round off to the nearest 10, you have to check ones digit. So here ones digit is greater than or equal 5. Yes, it is equal 5. So what to do? Replace this ones position with 0 and add 1 to tens position. So what is here in tens position? It is 8. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. See in the answer, it is replaced by 9 and rest of the digits as it is. So our answer is 62,75,990. Now round off to the nearest 100. First thing is, if the digit in the tens place is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 5, that means less than 5, then replace ones and tens places by 0. So here you need to check tens position. Whenever you round off to the nearest 100, you have to check tens position. So what is here in tens position in this example? Here it is 2. So 2 is less than 5? Yes. So we replace tens and ones position with 0 and rest of the digits are as it is. Okay, so our answer is 5,817,400. Now next thing you need to consider is if the digit in the tens place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, That means if it is greater than or equal 5, then replace ones and tens places by 0 and add 1 to the hundreds place. So here what is given in tens position? It is 8. That means it is greater than 5. Yes. So we replace 8 and 5 with 0. Here we replace 8 and 5 with 0 and we add 1 to 100 position. So here it is 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So our answer is 62,75,900. Now next is rounding off to the nearest 1000. For that we need to check 100 position. If it is less than 5, then we keep 100, tens and ones position as it is. And if it is greater than or equal 5, then we replace 100, tens and ones position with 0 and we add 1 to 1000 position. So here the examples are given. What is here in 100 position? 4. That means it is less than 5. So we replace 100, tens and ones with 0 and rest of the digits are as it is. So our answer is 5,817,000. And next example, what is here in 100 position? It is 9. That means it is greater than 5. So we replace these 3 digits with 0. So our answer is, and we add 1 to 1000 position. That means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So here it is the answer. 62,76,000. Let's practice. Question number 1. Round off the numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Now some of the numbers are given and you have to convert this number to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. So first we round off first number 3,428. To round off to the nearest 10, you have to consider ones position. So here 8 is in ones position. So 8 is greater than 5. So we replace ones position with 0 and we add 1 to tens position. That means 2 plus 1 is equal to. Let's practice. Question number 1. Round out the numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. First number is 3,428. To round off to the nearest 10, we consider 8. Here 8 is greater than 5. So we replace 8 with 0 and we add 1 to tens position. So here what is in tens position? It is 2. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and rest of the digits are as it is. So answer is 3,430. Now round off to the nearest 100. Now you have to consider tens position. So 2 is there in tens position. 2 is less than 5. So we replace tens and ones position with 0 and rest of the digits are as it is. So our answer is 3400. Now we round off to the nearest 1000. Now what is in 100 position? It is 4. So 4 is less than 5. So we write 100 tens and ones position. We replace it with 0 and we write 3 as it is. So here answer is 3000. So now you can understand how to round off to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Now try to solve these old numbers your own. It is for your practice purpose. So note down these numbers in your book and try to solve it. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.
Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.